Now, the Columbia Mall shooting suspect is reigniting discussions about parental accountability. Alexa Ashwell is live right now with more on how lawmakers and prosecutors are looking to better hold parents accountable for their children's actions. Alexa?
That's right, Kai. You may recall just last year, Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates vowed to better hold parents accountable. But some say prosecutors can only do so much with the laws in place. The Columbia Mall double homicide suspect now reigniting discussions surrounding parental accountability after it was uncovered the 18-year-old defendant had appeared before a judge for another violent crime just a few months prior. And in the courtroom, his mother vouched for him and home monitoring.
His mother was not only present in court, but she was advocating for him to come home, to live with her. And she was also regaling the court with reasons why he would not be a danger.
Defense attorney Jeremy Eldridge, who is not associated with the case, is weighing in on the laws when it comes to better holding accountable the parents of juvenile offenders.
That's what I think parents are for. If they're not going to do that, then, we're going to step in and hold young people accountable.
Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates on the radio this morning discussing the juvenile crime crisis, including parental accountability. Last April, Bates announced his office would be pursuing charges against parents and guardians found to be contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
From here on out, if you are found to be contributing to the delinquency of a minor child, my office will look to charge you, to hold you accountable.
Today, we asked Bates' office how many parents his office has prosecuted for this crime, if any of those cases resulted in a conviction, and if so, was there any jail time? We also asked if the city state's attorney would support additional legislation that would further hold parents accountable for their delinquent child. On the radio, Bates did bring up a bill that would help secure funding for a truancy reduction pilot program in the city.
Delegate Mark Edelson from Baltimore City is the sponsor of that bill for us. There's a lot that we can do. We feel that if we can make these young people go to school, then they're not on the streets during the time period that some of these crimes are committed.
Meanwhile, a Senate bill would address habitual truancy and require guardians to take part in a treatment service plan. House Bill 1313 would make it unlawful for a guardian to not take part in counseling after receiving notice of a violent or disruptive behavior in a public school.
There is no doubt that some of these holistic remedies would be beneficial for the youthful offender, meaning the juvenile, the parents, and the court system.
Now, one of the bills has a hearing scheduled for later this week. We're still waiting on those numbers from Bates' office. Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.